Hello and welcome to our website. If you're looking for a really unique piece of dog sculpture that you won't find anywhere else on any high street, or maybe a piece of glass with some serious wow factor, happy days, you're in the right place. We try to make our website as user-friendly as we can, so it's set up to work on PCs, laptops, tablets and mobile phones. We've set up a section within the site for frequently asked questions where we've tried to cover off the answers to as many questions as we think that most online shoppers would have. If you can't find the answers there, or if you're looking for a product and you can't find it within the navigation of the site, just type what you're looking for into the search and hit go, and the website will go away and find it for you. Enjoy the site, and thanks very much for visiting.